Hi guys, this is Mohan here. Today my video is about how to find Windows product key in Windows. So if you have lost the product key, not a big deal. Still you can find that key in your Windows. So what you have to do, just go to taskbar in desktop and here's a search button. Click here and type CMD and press enter. Now the command prompt is opened. Now what you have to do, you have to copy and paste the above link that I have given on this video. I have also given that link in the description as well, so you can copy from there and paste. So now we are going to copy and paste. So here's the link guys, wmic path software licensing service get OA3X original product key. Now as you will press enter, you will have the 25-digit key on your screen. See guys, now you can access to your product key. Thanks guys. If you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.